Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 8,845 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7,858.85 or 25.87. The earlier day close, 8,115.44. The change was 106.99, 132%. Reverse rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 10,507 rands. Exorbitant cost 12,808, while low cost 10,507. The found the middle value of cost 11,448. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 11,970. Change for July 13.9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 11,970 rands. Exorbitant cost 11,970, while low cost 10,157. The found the middle value of cost 11,255. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 10,922. Change for August 88%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 10,922 rands. Excessive cost 12,060, while low cost 10,482. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,184. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 11,271. Change for September 32%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 11,271 rands. Excessive cost 13,6023, while low cost 11,271. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12,224. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 12,732. Change for October 13%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 12,732 rands. Exorbitant cost 12,732, while low cost 10,501. The found the middle value of cost 11,814. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 11,291. Change for November 11.3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 11,291 rands. Excessive cost 12,275, while low cost 10,1669. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,427. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 11,472. Change for December 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 11,472 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,240, while low cost 11,472. The found the middle value of cost 12,623. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,308. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 13,308 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,7096, while low cost 12,860. The found the middle value of cost 13,698. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,828. Change for February 3.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 13,828 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,435, while low cost 12,547. The found the middle value of cost 13,575. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 13,491. Change for spring 24%. Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 13,491 rands. Excessive cost 13,491, while low cost 11,378. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12,649. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 12,234. Change for April 9.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 12,234 rands. Exorbitant cost 13,618, while low cost 11,836. The found the middle value of cost 12,604. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 12,727. Change for May 40%. Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at 12,727 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,796, while low cost 12,727. The found the middle value of cost 14,003. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,763. Change for June 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 14,763 rands. Exorbitant cost 16,047, while low cost 13,947. The found the middle value of cost 14,939. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,997. Change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 14,997 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,997, while low cost 12,873. The found the middle value of cost 14,077. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 13,842. Change for August 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 13,842 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,345, while low cost 12,469. The found the middle value of cost 13,516. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 13,407. Change for September 3.1%. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. To start with, cost at 13,407 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,1884, while low cost 13,407. The found the middle value of cost 14,386. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 14,045. Change for October 10.7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 14,1845 rands. Exorbitant cost 14,1845, while low cost 11,754. The found the middle value of cost 13,521. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 12,639. Change for November 14.9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 12,639 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,687, while low cost 12,639. The found the middle value of cost 13,907. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 14,661. Change for December 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 14,661 rands. Exorbitant cost 15,939, while low cost 13,853. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14,837. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 14,896. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for February 2026. Before all else, cost at 14,896 rands. Excessive cost 16,193, while low cost 1475. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1575. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 15,134. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 15,134 rands. Exorbitant cost 16,452, while low cost 14,300. The found the middle value of cost 15,316. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 15.